Hello everybody, here's my current setup on my Hoatian 60 watt fiber laser JPT Mopa. Anyway, I have lots to learn, and as you see there, I've got a big air duct I printed out in some filament, 3D printed that with some filament from Navarre 3D from my friend Trevor down in Florida. I've got my camera set up for close-ups. I have air assist added from Patrick with Light Source Engraving, sent that over to me. And I've got 3 different lenses for it. And one thing that's very nice, other than on the side of the machine, it's got all the specs for the 3 lenses that were included with the machine. It also has some nice focusing lines that have been put on the side of the machine. So I can basically take my ruler and very easily measure to focus my work for each particular lens, whichever one it may be. And that's a very nice added feature. I've got some glasses. I've got some future work here to engrave on. I've got a few knives and a few things I picked up at Harbor Freight. A couple machetes I can do some engraving on. And for polishing, I got some polishing. I picked up this nice rack from Harbor Freight. And it's got a lot of supplies that my friend Patrick from Light Source Engraving sent me lots of samples. And I bought some brass coins off Amazon. And let's see, just like I say, I got a lot of different materials here. I ordered some more AR-15 clips I have to go pick them up in a few days here in Las Vegas. They're on will call. So I can start learning how to engrave on plastic and different types of clips, on metal, axe heads, and guns in the future once I get well enough. But let me show you some quick work that I've done here. And there'll be a link in the description below, and I'll show it here on the screen. If you'd like to save $100 on any of your laser products from Hoatian, they have an Alibaba store where they sell everything, and they got lots and lots of different types of lasers and machines. And you can receive a $100 discount if you use my particular code here, 3DHP. And you can contact Pascal directly, and he can possibly work you out a really good deal for whatever you may be interested in. But let me show some of the samples that I've done, and here we go.
it. Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They want. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.